So browns, you see, well, you have to press them. You have to press them in order to, of course, it's a regular keyboard. Feels nice, feels good as well, but when you move to speeds, it's so much easier, it's so much lighter. Even the slightest step gets registered. It's hard to show you on the screen, but the speeds are much more responsive. Any of my movement gets registered. With the browns though, any of my movement gets registered for sure, but I have to press harder for that. It makes more sound. So for the games, 100%, all hands down, the speeds win, for sure.